Hello everyone, and welcome to Christmas at the Purefoys. So I wanted to pop on and show you how I styled my mantle for Christmas this year. I was inspired by some YouTubers that I love to watch, and so I decided that I was going to make my own. I think everything turned out so pretty. Now this candle holder, I got that from Ross, and I'm planning to do a DIY on an idea that I have for a candle. I'm planning on doing a Dollar Tree candle glam DIY, so stay tuned for that. Now these ornament clusters that you see, I simply placed ornaments on a floral wire and kind of clustered them together and placed them onto the garland. And the garland is actually 3 garlands that I kind of braided and twisted together. One is a pre-lit garland, and 2 of them were just regular pine garland that I got from Hobby Lobby, and those were actually 50% off, so I got 2 for the price of 1. This is so pretty. Now you'll see the Christmas tree cones over in the corner to the right. I made those out of cardboard, Mod Podge, and lots of glitter. If you'd like to see a video on how I'm making those, I have 2 people that would love to have 2, and I'm going to gift them to 2 people. So I'm going to make a video about that. And these pillows I made from placemats from the Dollar Tree as well. Now below you will see these amazing boxes that I made. The fur box is from some old fabric that I had, and I made the box out of some popsicle sticks. And my beautiful Glam DIY mirror box, I just love how pretty it is. I actually made that wreath, or garland as you would call it, from 2 Dollar Tree trees, and I can show you how I did that too. This Let It Snow sign, I made it really sparkly by using some Epsom salt. And so here I'm just showing you how I coordinated all of my decor with my Christmas tree. And I feel like because I got a new tree this year, I just love my Christmas tree this year. So tell me what you think. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.